Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Play Store Wishlist. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Play Store Wishlist. So this is very helpful if you are trying to save up for some item, or sometimes if the item has a discount, the Play Store will notify you if you have a discount on the wish list on an item. So to do this is, first thing, to add something in your wish list, choose an app. Example, let's choose Black Blast, and then click on the three dots on the top right, and then click add to wish list. After it's added to wish list, move back. Now to see your wish list, click on the profile on top right. After clicking on your profile on the top right, click on library. After clicking on library, you will see wish list, and then click on it, and there you go. As you can see right now, Black Blast is now in my wish list. So there you go, guys. So that's how the Play Store wishlist works and where to find it. And guys, a quick tip for you guys: you can also remove them from your wish list. This is how you remove them from your wish list. Just hold it. For example, just hold, then click on remove from wish list, and there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.